This motor features a 60V1500W brushless motor provided by one of China's top suppliers, ensuring strong and reliable performance. With pure copper windings and a high-temperature copper core, it offers excellent power, energy efficiency, and durability. The reinforced aluminum housing provides strength and stability, while the built-in cooling fan offers efficient heat dissipation, extending the motor's lifespan. The Lonson 622cc horizontal shaft gasoline engine is a high-performance, large-displacement power unit designed for demanding industrial and agricultural applications. Its OHV design improves efficiency and reduces emissions, while filters maintain clean operation. It powers our spraying vehicle by generating electricity for motors and driving a high-flow plunger pump for effective spraying, ensuring efficient and flexible operation in the field. Equipped with a 70V, 8000W generator, the SPRY600 remote sprayer vehicle delivers exceptional power and efficiency, smoothly operating all electrical systems. The generator not only meets the full electrical demands of the machine, including the drive motors, control systems, and spraying components, but also recharges the battery pack quickly and efficiently. With advanced voltage regulation and durable construction, it's ideal for professional agricultural applications. The remote-controlled sprayer is equipped with Tianning batteries, a renowned Chinese brand, featuring 2 sets of 60V20Ah batteries, 10 units in total, for long-lasting endurance. Our machines are equipped with a dedicated starting battery, designed specifically for engine ignition, significantly extending the overall lifespan of the equipment. This independent starting battery is capable of delivering high peak current, allowing for rapid engine starts. The advanced remote control system allows for effortless operation from a distance of up to 200 meters. This feature provides enhanced safety and convenience, enabling users to start or stop the pump remotely, which helps conserve liquid resources during operations. The Model 60 plunger pump features a high-performance 3-cylinder design, delivering 60 milliliters per revolution for powerful and stable output. The water flow from the machine's left and right arms can be adjusted by opening and closing the corresponding left and right valves. These are the product's pump clutch and electric linear actuator. We've designed a remote-controlled clutch that uses an electric actuator to engage or disengage the pump via the remote. Given the wet working conditions, the electric linear actuator offers excellent waterproof performance. The tank is made of extra-thick HDPE with a total capacity of 600 L, recommended fill of approximately 500 L to minimize splashing and vibration. A dual-cap design ensures excellent sealing and easy filling or chemical addition. Equipped with a portable handle for convenient transport, the drain outlet supports accessories for quick cleaning and complete discharge of waste liquid. The bucket is also equipped with a stirrer, enhancing dispersion and mixing efficiency for effective handling of liquid additives. The SPRY600 remote sprayer uses durable tube-type tires, offering superior shock absorption, strong load capacity, and improved stability on uneven or muddy terrain. Easy maintenance, punctures can be fixed or the inner tube replaced without swapping the entire tire, while delivering reliable air retention and traction for demanding field operations. The 8.4M spraying boom features 15 alloy nozzles for fine atomization and uniform coverage. It folds into 5 sections for easy transport and storage, while maintaining stability and durability. This design enables wide area spraying with high efficiency and consistent performance in demanding field conditions. Before starting the engine, never stand directly in front of the machine to avoid accidents. Inspect the overall machine appearance and the condition of its parts to ensure there are no leaks or loose components. First, rotate the emergency stop button on the both side, then connect the main power supply, and then turn on the power switch on the remote control. Next, we will use the remote control to control the device to move forward, backward, and rotate. This lever is used to control the machine's speed. You can switch between high and slow speeds. This lever can be used to adjust the cruise control. This machine is equipped with a manual width adjustment device. By adding an auxiliary hand crank, the machine width can be adjusted by turning the handle to adapt to different field or sight widths. For faster adjustments, auxiliary tools can be used to enhance efficiency. The machine supports manual height adjustment. First, install the height adjustment auxiliary device to raise the body to the desired operating height. Then, insert the fixing screw into the corresponding positioning hole and tighten it to complete the height setting. The following are the steps to start the engine. First, open the choke, and then ensure that the fuel valve is in the open position. Turn on the throttle switch. Hold the start switch to the second gear position, and release it once you hear the engine starting roar. The switch will automatically spring back to the first gear. After the engine is running normally, close the choke to complete the starting process. The following are the operating steps for the SPRY system. First, activate the equipment's robotic arm and main valve switch. Then, sequentially open the water outlet valves on both the left and right sides. Next, use the remote control to operate the spray arm for dispersing the chemical agent and commence the spraying operation. Turning the switch down initiates spraying, while turning it up halts the operation. Finally, here's the procedure for shutting down and wrapping up. First, use the remote control to stop the dispensing of chemicals. Then, press the engine button to the 0 gear position. Next, retract the mechanical arm and drive the equipment to a safe location. Close the throttle and the fuel valve, and turn off the main power supply. Finally, press the emergency stop button and turn off the remote control power. Additionally, clean any residual chemicals from the machine body, inspect the pipelines and components, and perform maintenance.